This is what happens to your body when you take turmeric every day. Most people have turmeric sitting in their kitchen right now, but almost no one is using it the right way. And because of that, they're missing out on its most powerful benefits. Did you know that just one simple mistake can make turmeric almost completely useless in your body? But when you use it the right way, you can boost its absorption by over 2,000% and unlock its full power. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly what turmeric does to your body when you take it daily, but you'll also learn how to use it the right way to get the maximum health benefits. Let's dive in. 1. Turmeric supercharges your brain. Ever walk into a room and forget why you're there? Ever struggle to remember names or where you put your keys? What if I told you turmeric could help sharpen your memory and even protect your brain from serious diseases like Alzheimer's? The secret lies in curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. It's been shown to reduce inflammation and fight oxidative stress, two things linked to brain aging and memory loss. In one study, older adults who took curcumin for 18 months had significant improvements in memory and focus. They even showed better moods. So, if you want a sharper brain and better recall, turmeric might just be the golden secret you need. 2. Turmeric could save your heart. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day, but heart disease is still the leading cause of death worldwide. Now, here's the exciting part. Turmeric could be a game changer for heart health. Studies show that curcumin can help lower bad cholesterol, prevent blood clots, and reduce inflammation inside your arteries. Some researchers even say turmeric works as well as certain heart medications without the side effects. So, if you care about your heart health, adding turmeric to your daily routine might be one of the simplest and most powerful things you can do. 3. Turmeric may help prevent cancer. Here's something wild. Countries where turmeric is a daily staple tend to have lower cancer rates. That's no coincidence. Researchers have found that curcumin can slow the growth of tumors, block the spread of cancer cells, and even make certain treatments more effective. Over 12,000 studies have explored turmeric's potential in fighting cancer, and the results are mind-blowing. Now, is turmeric a magic cure? No, but the evidence suggests that it may help reduce your risk, and that's worth paying attention to. 4. Turmeric can boost your mood and fight depression. If you've been feeling down, here's something incredible. Turmeric may work as well as antidepressants, but without the side effects. A study found that people who took curcumin daily felt significantly happier within just 6 weeks. Why? Because curcumin reduces inflammation in the brain, which is closely linked to depression and anxiety. If you want a natural way to lift your mood, adding turmeric to your diet could be a simple yet powerful solution. 5. Turmeric can help with joint pain and arthritis. If you struggle with joint pain, stiffness, or arthritis, you're not alone. Millions of people deal with this daily. But here's the kicker. Turmeric may be just as effective as ibuprofen in relieving joint pain. One study found that people who took turmeric had the same pain relief as those who took 1,200 milligrams of ibuprofen daily, without the potential side effects of painkillers. That means you could support your joints naturally while avoiding harmful medications. 6. Turmeric helps regulate blood sugar. Diabetes is one of the fastest-growing health problems in the world. But studies show that turmeric may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. That's a fancy way of saying it could help your body handle sugar more efficiently, reducing your risk of developing diabetes over time. If you want to keep blood sugar under control naturally, turmeric might be a smart addition to your diet. 7. Turmeric helps balance cholesterol. Managing cholesterol is crucial for long-term health. But what if one simple spice could help? A study found that taking just 500 milligrams of curcumin daily led to a 33% increase in good cholesterol HDL, a 12% decrease in total cholesterol. That's a huge impact for such a simple daily habit. The right way to take turmeric. All right, so now you know the benefits. But remember what I said at the start? Most people take turmeric the wrong way. Here's how to do it right. Always pair turmeric with black pepper. This increases absorption by up to 2,000%. Take it with healthy fats. Curcumin is fat-soluble, So pair it with olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado to help your body absorb it. Try turmeric tea, golden milk, or smoothies, an easy and delicious way to get your daily dose. Using turmeric the right way makes all the difference. What do you think? Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried turmeric daily? Notice any changes? Or do you have a favorite way to use it? Drop a comment below and let's talk. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more powerful health tips, share this with someone who needs to know about turmeric. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.